This is a formidable opponent in the playoffs. It is going to be extremely hard for anyone to knock them off in a 7-game series.
The Bucks have equaled the best start in franchise history.
Giannis dashing to the rim, throws it down. Butler saved it. Oh, rejected! Volleyball style. Harden in the best streak of his career. Oh, he caught a body. Oh, what a tomahawk.
We definitely have a lot of talent. I feel like we have a team that can do it for sure.
Try to move forward, get better, and hopefully we can be the team that advance.
We gave ourselves a chance last year. We were so close. Like, I need that feeling.
They're going to look for kinks in the armor. That comes with the territory of being champions.
This is a guy who's got incredible touch, moves, counter moves.
Paul George has come up huge for OKC.
Denver celebrated their first playoff berth since the 2013 season.
The Blazers clinch a playoff spot for the 6th consecutive year.
We got to be thinking bigger. This is the beginning. This is the first step to where we want to go.
Coach Kenny Atkinson, first playoff as the head coach.
They believe they need to get to the conference finals, so there is pressure across the board.
Please tell me which team you think might be able to beat them 4 times.
Come on, you gotta love NBA basketball.
It's the best time of year, the start of the NBA playoffs.
2019 playoffs.
Exciting time, man. We're real excited, real anxious right now to get started.
It's what we've been waiting on all season long.
I think it's gonna be fun. The fun we're looking for.
It's game 1 in the best of 7.
Win by any means. We've seen this team a few times. We know what to expect. We're trying to go in, worry about us, and take care of what we can take care of.
We're trying to get 16 wins. Let's make this the first one, all right?
Be grateful out there. Together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Together. Great opportunity.
Buckle up. Could be a fun first round.
Let's go get it, fellas. Come on out together. Let's get it.
Lillard way outside, knocks down the first three. This is going to be an exciting series.
Let's start methodical. Be methodical. Keep attacking them at the rim.
The Nets come down the turnpike, and they stun the Sixers.
And leave it up top for Capella. Here it comes again. And the Greek basketball god raining down on the Pistons.
Let's go. Expect and give physicality.
Oh, he caught a body. White with some dynamite. Curry for 3. And he's the NBA all-time leader in playoff threes. Golden State takes game 1. Another spectacular performance.
Get that lead. Let's go. Come on, man. Fight for it. Fight for it.
5 to shoot. Augustine. 3 to shoot. He'll take. The Orlando Magic steal game 1. Stunning the Raptors.
The Spurs hang on to steal it. Greg Popovich with 1,413 career wins, the most in NBA history.
The Celtics strike first.
At home court. You know what I mean? Can't get too high, can't get too low. 1 down.
Portland takes game 1.
Big win for Philadelphia. They tie up this series 1-1.
The third quarter, we got off to a great start. Was able to close this game out and get a win.
We're going to make a run. We can win this. We got to play right.
Lou Williams moves to his left, finds a seam, drives the lane, puts it up, and in with the right hand. Oh my! 31 for Sweet Lou. The Clippers win game 2.
Ready, baby? You ready? Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, all right.
Oh, we back home. We back home. Let's work, let's work, let's work.
Exactly what we wanted. Just what we wanted, baby.
We're going out. Set the tone right away.
Westbrook off the inbound, high legs dribbles, backs down, arcs a fadeaway across his body, banks home a 13-foot jumper, count it, and the foul.
let's battle, let's go. Flip it.
Puch, 3 in the lead. Got them all!
Let's go.
1 quarter, 1 possession game to get done what we came here to do, right? Okay? Every possession, play it like a sense of urgency.
Bounce pass, knocked away by Kyrie. He saves it from going out of bounds. Morris lead for Horford. Hand to Jason Tatum. 2-hand slam.
We gotta keep on fighting. That's what we do. Keep on fighting, all right?
Murray, back it up. There it goes.
Take a deep breath. Playing well. Now we keep doing it.
White. Rose Wheeler and a 3-point opportunity.
Be sharper, all right? Be stronger with the ball.
Turner fakes the 3, drives by Horford. Oh, Miles Turner bringing that smoke.
We're winning the game. Let's go.
Simmons leaves it to the hot hand. It's Harris.
Let's go. Keep shooting. We're getting good looks. Rubio dribbling in traffic gets to Mitchell for 3.
And the Jazz win this game to extend the series to a Game 5.
Working against Brown in the middle of the floor. 5 on the shot clock. Draws the foul and 1. Chris Middleton with a little magic.
Get back. Here we go. Keep battling back, guys. Hey, it's not always going to be pretty. It's not always going to be good. Just keep battling. Keep battling.
Ball, dancing, stepping back, shooting for 3, hitting it.
Hey, offensively, we're getting all kinds of good looks. Getting threes, transition, rolls. Keep making good reads.
Lillard goes around the screen, set by Aminu at center court. Now bounce past the Cantor, who stuffs it in with 2 hands.
Long way to go. Hey, you're into them right now. Keep getting the stops and score. Let's go.
Here's Harris now. Attacking. Oh, the claw. Siakam open floor, 2-handed slam.
Keep playing the right way, and everybody react to the drive and fly out.
Irving controls the rebound. 10-point lead, Kyrie. Going all over. Drew is in the building.
Yeah! So I'm talking about. They were always going to make a little bit of a run. I like your guys' shot. I like your mentality.
Shoot it. I want you to shoot it. Come on, you feel me?
Butler, 8 to shoot. Leans in on Green. Embiid, a ball fake. Embiid spins to the rim. Pump fake. Embiid gets the bucket. A major bounce back. Philadelphia evens the series at a game apiece.
Get that defense going. Right out the gate, let's get it. All right, here we go, guys. Hey, you know I don't say
to go up.
Circuit shot by Brown. What a beautiful move.
Jordan. Michael B. Jordan. Michael B. Jordan.
Giannis driving on Tatum. Down the line. To the rim. Left hand throw down.
Great take, boys. Great take.
Play like that. Keep playing that way. That's who we are. Keep it up.
Feet set. Open three. Good. 30-footers and the occasional step back three.
It's the playoffs. You can't let nobody shoot.
I know. Curry throws out to Iguodala. Touch pass. Thompson running the floor. Jamming with a right hand.
Great start. Great energy. You guys are doing a great job.
I love you guys. Mentality. Getting to the rim.
Simmons 2-on-1. Throws it up. Butler throws it down.
Give me the jam. Oh, yeah. Sixers basketball. Do it.
Embiid for three.
That's why you shoot it. Take us home. Take us home, man.
Embiid fakes. Embiid down the lane.
He windmills a slam. This game is over.
Hungry. Okay, go eat it. Timer at 4. Millsap spins and hits over Harkless. Denver by 4.
Wow. Keep finding a way, man. Keep finding a way.
Yep.
Let's go with it. Let's go with it.
The rebound. Rodney Hood steps aside. 3 on the way. And got it! It's finally over. The Blazers win it in 4 overtimes.
Keep working down on the other end. Don't let him get any kind of headwind up.
Iguodala, what a block by Capella. The Rockets still very much alive. What a game.
Together, 1, 2, 3.
Here we go, boys. Long game.
J.J. Redick to the corner, drives on Pascal. Scoop layup by J.J. Good. A great reverse layup by J.J. Redick. We got to rebound and get out of attack, right? We got to be the more aggressive team.
Nikola Jokic. Jokic picked up by Aminu, the length of the floor, dribbles behind his back, beats Aminu up the floor, stops in the paint, Euro step, floater's good.
They made some really hard shots. Just keep it right there. Keep it right there. We're good.
Harden on top, doubled, one-on-one with Iguodala, splits it, drives it, flips it, scores it, and the 20-point deficit is gone.
Stay on him, all right? Stay on him. Every possession.
Fit it by Murray. Crosses over, dribble, drive, spins, steps back, puts it up, and in! CJ doing dirty work on that play.
Finish, come on. Stay sharp, stay focused. Let's keep working.
Kyrie Irving whips it out, steal by Giannis. He's got a bust out. Here he goes. Slam dunk. And hello, Eastern Conference Finals. The Bucks advance.
Patience and poise. At some point, we're going to have to exhibit that, all right? We're going to have to exhibit that. Every possession counts. Move the ball, penetrate, kick.
Curry surrounded, finds Draymond Green. Brings to the basket, kicks it out of Iguodala. Thompson for three. Bang! Klay Thompson from downtown.
And this one is over. And for the 5th consecutive year, the Golden State Warriors will go to the Western Conference Finals.
Play with desperation night, bro. Start. Just us. 1, 2, 3. Just us. One game is over, man. Get this one, man, and go home. Get on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Big game coming. Big game from you, DG. All right, guys, let's go to work.
Giannis down the lane to the rim. Slam it. Wow. What big steps you take, young man.
It's been a rough start. You just got to keep trusting what we do, all right?
CJ crosses over, gets around Cantor, now dribbles down the left side of the lane, fades away, throws it to Dame. Dame now with a long three, hits it!
Keep hanging in there. Our effort down here is getting better, okay? We're okay. Just chip away a little bit. Long way to go.
Siakam got the set and stop. Pascal Siakam.
We got the level of desperation and competition up, which is perfect. Now we got to execute.
Throws to Drexel. Dribble drive on Turner. Stops behind the back pass to Bell for a lay-in.
Hey, come on. We got to go right here.
Eric Bledsoe drives at Lowry. Euro step. Lay it up and in.
Get back to moving. Hit the paint and kick it.
Van Vliet out to Powell. Near corner. Bury it.
It's right where we was at last quarter. We let it get away last game. Start this quarter off strong.
Now Lillard's pass just picked out of the air by Draymond Green. Hand off Steph Curry. Fakes and fires. 3-ball good.
Keep attacking him here. Keep attacking him here.
Lopez to the ball.
Kawhi into the lane, cut off by Middleton, trying to shake Brogdon. Spins to the right block, lays it up and in.
Big boy. Big body, boy. Big body, boy. Big body.
Game 5 doesn't get better than this. Where else would you rather be than right here, right now?
Tough. Everybody be active. Everybody be aware. Cover for each other.
Giannis down the center of the floor. Brogdon left corner, fires a three. Bingo! Brogdon. And that puts a charge into the crowd. Lob to Giannis, caught it, slam it.
Are you kidding me? Giannis Antetokounmpo.
And Milwaukee heads into the half with a 3-point lead.
Good, man. We're in great shape. Right? We're in great shape. 24 minutes. Put a little run on them. Put a little run on them.
Leonard with Lopez there. Step back to three. Yeah! Yes, he did!
Kawhi Leonard, free throw line. Kicks out. Freddie Van Vliet. Yes, sir! Fred's got 7 triples tonight. And the Toronto Raptors are 1 win away from the NBA Finals.
But a tremendous effort by Kawhi Leonard. 35 points.
It's supposed to be hard this time of year, okay? So stay hungry. Stay hungry. Humble. Get ready to get to work again, man. Okay, get to work again. All right, let's go. Raps, 1, 2, 3.